Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the fam members of Well Talk. Today, let's discuss about how one can be confident. There are 9 signs of low self-esteem and 10 ways to build confidence. Let's discuss about low self-esteem signs. Point 1. Difficulties speaking up and prioritizing your own needs, wants and feelings. Second, saying I'm sorry and or feeling guilty for everyday actions. Third, not rocking the boat. Fourth, not feeling deserving for or capable of having more. Fifth, difficulties making your own choices. Sixth, lack of boundaries. Seventh, doing things or buying gift expensively for other people. Eighth, self preparations. Ninth, critical, abusive internal dialogues. Right? These are the few signs of low self-esteem which makes you feel low in confidence. So let's see the ways to build confidence. When you're not having a proper self-esteem, right? Have a seek out professional help. Second, prioritize exercise that feels good for your body. Third, put your health first with well-rounded meals. Fourth, make a list of your priorities or goals. Fifth, pause and access before automatically saying yes to a request. Sixth, start lifting yourself up. Seventh, start meditating. Use positive affirmations. Eighth, notice and try to limit when you're comparing yourself to others. Ninth, find yourself favorite way to unwind, relax and pamper yourself. 10th, replace I am sorry with more sustainable approach interactions. This way, you keep yourself highly motivated and confident to lead your own life. See you tomorrow. Catch you. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe.